Hello mamas, good morning. Welcome to Mommy Heals. My name is Aanchal Muglani. I'm a certified yoga and wellness coach and I have over 12 years of experience in helping females with their PCOS, thyroid, obesity, diabetes, hypertension and many other issues with therapeutic yoga, Ayurveda and mudras. So this is my specialty. For over all these 12 years, I have been working only with women in the age group of 30 to 45, and what I realized was most of the women are struggling with just one major issue, and that is belly fat. So I tried to understand. I used to conduct many weight loss programs, 21 days, 60 days, 90 days. The major concern that came was the whole body used to shrink, but the lower belly, that hanging mummy tummy, it remained same. So there was no solution to it. And everybody used to think कि क्या है ये एग्जैक्टली मतलब फ्रस्ट्रेशन होने लगता था व्हेन द लोअर बेली इज स्टिल लाइक दैट एंड मदर्स वांट टू वेयर देयर favorite outfits, they want to go out for parties, they want to wear certain kind of dresses and वो lower belly जो लटका होता था उससे सारा confidence down. So that was the time in 2024. I would not say I'm too old into this niche, but yes, into diastasis recti healing, understanding it properly and working specifically with mothers. It's been just 2 years that I studied further and I tried to understand कि क्या रीज़न है ये diastasis recti होता क्या है, क्यों लोअर बेली लटका रह जाता है, पूरी बॉडी श्रिंक हो जाती है, प्रोटीन रिच डाइट हो, स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग हो, तरह तरह के वर्कआउट्स हो, पूरी लाइफस्टाइल करेक्ट हो, स्लीप, water, stress, everything is in check, but still the lower belly is not going. That was the reason when I worked on myself, because in 10 years my own lower belly was hanging. I have a daughter who is 10 years and I was finding no solution to it. Second major concern came when I was detected with L4, L5 disc bulges. It was an initial stage of slipped disc. So that was a time when I realized कि I cannot do everything now with the belly. Just to get rid of the belly fat, I cannot do all kinds of exercises. Some exercises may put a lot of load on my lower back or my spine, or it may worsen my bulges ka condition, or it may also lead to slipped disc ka heavier, higher wala stage, hernia and all of that. So I used to have terrible sciatica pain. Keeping all of that aside, let's coming back. What is Mommy Heals? Why is it for you? I am a mother just like you. My age is 37. My daughter is 10. Like I said, I have qualified masters and I have done RYT 500 from Bodhi School of Yoga. I am an international certified yoga and wellness coach. So there's a long wall, big wall of certificates that you can see behind me, and that's the entire setup. I have been working from home in a small room helping mothers heal their core. So what I realized is pregnancy में belly expand होती है. There is a set of muscles, 1 and 2 on the left and the right side. इसको बोलते हैं abdominis muscles. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack muscles जिसको बोलते हैं. And what happens is जो ये left और right side connected है एक छोटे से connective tissue से, उसको बोलते हैं linea alba. Let's not go very deep into the scientific terms and all, but I want to make you understand कि वो एक connective tissue है, एक glue के जैसा जो जोड़ के रखता है left और right side of your abdomen को. So now what happens in pregnancy when your belly is expanding? आपकी belly बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है. So what is happening there is the connective tissue जो ये दोनों left और right part को पकड़ के बैठा है, ये स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, स्ट्रेच हो रहा है. एंड प्रेगनेंसी में द हॉर्मोन्स दैट इज रिलैक्सिन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, ईस्ट्रोजन, ऑल ऑफ देम दे आर सपोर्टिंग द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द मसल्स. अब कई बार क्या होता है, इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपेंशन होता है दैट कनेक्टिव टिश्यू दैट इज़ होल्डिंग द लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड्स, इट ब्रेक्स. ठीक है, जब वो रप्चर हो जाता है, द एब्डोमिनल मसल्स, द एब्डोमिनस मसल, इट ब्रेक्स इनटू 2. That's the reason why it is called diastasis recti. Rectus abdominis को break. Rectus abdominis is right from your ribs to your pubic bone. तो पूरा set of muscles that is going from ribs to your down is your core. And inside that is the transverse abdominis. अंदर, that is a deep core belt which is supporting the entire एब्डोमिनल ऑर्गन्स एंड द स्पाइन. अब प्रेगनेंसी में जब प्लेसेंटा है, बेबी है, एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड है, यूट्रस का एनलार्जमेंट हो रहा है, सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग, ऑर्गन्स डिस्प्लेस हो रहे हैं अपनी जगह से बिकॉज दे आर एडजस्टिंग एंड मेकिंग स्पेस, मेकिंग रूम फॉर द बेबी. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर इज built up. So because of excess pressure, that connective tissue, that linea alba tends to break. ठीक है, this causes the abdominal walls to stretch. बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच हो जाते हैं. जब ये कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एक्सेसिवली स्ट्रेच हो गया, ये वीक हो जाता है और ये गैप वैसे का वैसे रह जाता है. राइट, अब बोथ साइड्स स्टे अपार्ट. प्रेगनेंसी में दे सेपरेट साइड वाइज. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर. अब प्रेगनेंसी के बाद आफ्टर डिलीवरी, वेदर इट इज़ वेजाइनल और इट इज़ सी सेक्शन, आपके मसल्स तो पास आ गए बिकॉज द बेबी इज़ नाउ आउट. The placenta, uterus lining, amniotic fluid, everything is now out. लेकिन वो वापस जुड़ेगा नहीं. So whenever you sneeze, it opens. Whenever you sit or stand, it opens. Imagine it is like a zip. You are wearing a zipper jacket. When you stand, the zip is straight, and when you sit, the zip opens like this. ऐसे close and ऐसे open. So it is just like a zipper holding the core together. सो जो हॉर्मोन्स हैं, कोलेजन, जिस चीज़ से आपका लीनिया एल्बा कनेक्टिव टिश्यू बना है, उस कोलेजन को इलास्टिक 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 और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच करने के लिए सपोर्ट करता है. जब ओवर स्ट्रेच हो जाता है, टेंशन ख़त्म हो जाती है और एब्डोमिनल सपोर्ट जो है ऑर्गन्स का, इट वीकन्स. एंड द TVA, दैट इज़ द ट्रांसवर्स एब्डोमिनस, लाइक आई सेड, इट इज़ द डीपेस्ट कोर मसल्स विच एक्ट्स एज अ नेचुरल बेल्ट. इट एक्ट्स लाइक अ कॉर्सेट. इमेजिन आप एक टमी टकर टाइप का कॉर्सेट पहन रहे हो जिसने आपके सारे के सारे बेली को जकड़ के ऐसे टाइट रखा हुआ है और आपकी स्पाइन को पूरा स्टेबलाइज्ड करके रखा हुआ है. आपके ऑर्गन्स को एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम मिला हुआ है. इमेजिन यू आर हेल्ड टुगेदर. तो वो एक TVA जो है वो आपके एब्डोमेन का प्रेशर मैनेज करता है, आपके पेल्विक फ्लोर को सपोर्ट करता है. अब डायस्टासिस रेक्टाई में क्या होता है, आपका TVA, ट्रांसवर्स एब्डोमिनस, becomes very weak and the coordination becomes very poor. That is why women feel unstable. जैसे ही उठेंगी गैप फील होगा, झटका फील होगा, ब्लोटेड फील होगा, वीक होगा, एंगेज नहीं कर पाएंगी अपनी कोर को. ऐसे लगेगा ऊपर का पार्ट अलग, नीचे का पार्ट अलग, बीच का हिस्सा झूल गया है. एंड ऑल्सो द पेल्विक फ्लोर, बिकॉज द पेल्विक फ्लोर एंड द डीप कोर मसल्स दे वर्क टुगेदर. प्रेगनेंसी में क्या होगा, वेट इज गोइंग डाउन, वाटर वेट, बेबी वेट, तो पेल्विक फ्लोर पे ओवरलोड, downward pressure, and the muscles are weakened. This is why diastasis recti is often associated with urine leakage. The moment you sneeze, little urine, 2 drops passes. Then nowadays a lot of cases of uterine prolapse, lot of cases of PCOS, pelvic heaviness, low back pain. Anatomy of the entire body, female body, changes during pregnancy. In the first trimester it is hardly any visible. The separation is not visible because hormones have just started working. So hormones उतने ज़्यादा रिलीज़ नहीं हुए हैं कि आपका कनेक्टिव टिश्यू उतना रिलैक्स हो जाए. पोस्चर उतना ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं हुआ है, बेबी का वेट उतना ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में यू डोंट नोटिस मच चेंजेस, बट एज एंड व्हेन यू रीच द सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर, upward also pressure increases and the rib cage also begins to adapt. Rib cage भी थोड़ा सा ऊपर आता है. That is the reason you feel shortness of breath, because your lungs are not breathing to their fullest capacity. Understood? So that is the time when these loose ligaments, fascia, all of these are preparing your body for childbirth, whether it is any kind of delivery. So now the abdominal expansion increases, the uterus rises upwards. What is happening? Linea alba begins stretching. So abdominal walls, they become more thin and TVA gets lengthened. ठीक है, pressure increases. So women may notice थोड़ा सा dome, weakness, poor core activation. And what happens in the third trimester is, this is the phase where most of the body is undergoing a major change. Biomechanical changes also happen, physical changes also happen. The uterus is growing, it pushes your abdomen outward, upward, forward, and what happens? Rib flare. समटाइम्स एंटीरियर पेल्विक टिल्ट, समटाइम्स लंबार कॉम्प्रेशन, आपके बैठ गए तो आपके डिस्क्स कॉम्प्रेस हो गए, समटाइम्स द एब्डोमिनल वॉल्स दे गेट डिस्टॉर्टेड, सी द एब्डोमिनल मसल्स सेपरेट significantly, sometimes it is 2-3 finger gaps, sometimes it is 8 or 10 finger gaps, sometimes it is even more when you are carrying twins or triplets. That is of course a rare case, लेकिन होता है. So muscle alignment, muscle realignment and posture correction, these are very important things which come under a core rehabilitation routine which nobody teaches us. Many women develop a shallow chest breathing and जैसे pregnancy के बाद तो सांस फूलती रहती है. Then the center of gravity also shifts forward because of the body weight is adjusting. There is a pelvic tilt. So to compensate, the pelvic tilts anteriorly, and after the anterior tilt, the lower back arches even more. When you see anterior tilt is like this, आगे को tilt, तो ऐसे, तो the lower back arches even more and you feel a dome. To correct this, you need to bring the pelvis back, remove the arching and pull it up again. So this is what is actually called as the core engagement. Alright, हमें lower back की strength बढ़ानी है, core muscles को rehab देना है. इसी की वजह से anterior tilt की वजह से there is low back pain, your glutes, your hips get weak, your core starts dysfunctioning, and as the posture changes, your glutes often become very weak. Your hip flexors, that's the connective tissue joining your hip joint, आपकी leg के साथ जो join कर रहा है front पे, जो आपको flex करने दे रहा है, आगे की तरफ bend करने दे रहा है, वो tight हो जाते हैं. This increases a lot of spinal stress. So there is a lot of abdominal pressure alteration. The body works on pressure system. This is the reason you feel constipated. This is the reason you feel a lot of stiffness. That moment you try to wake up from the bed early morning, you feel like उठा नहीं जा रहा है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है उठने के लिए, because the pelvic floor and the core muscles are now no longer, you know, working in sync, working in coordination with each other. So improper pressure management worsens your DR. What happens during delivery? Vaginal birth, it pushes down, okay? It creates a massive intra-abdominal pressure. If pressure management is poor, DR may worsen. But pregnancy itself is usually the main cause because it takes a longer time to, you know, fill that gap for the baby to grow. 9 months ka duration, and delivery is a very small thing, just for a very small moment, just a day or something, right? And C-section cases mein, the body is a C-section cut goes through a fascia, different abdominal layers, connective tissues. So इतने सारे cut के बाद, इतने deep cut के बाद, there is a scar, there is very less core activation, there is very less abdominal strength, and many mothers with C-section deliver a kind of a shelf appearance over the scar. So they call it, ये तो scar है. No, that is actually the muscle that is just hanging. The uterus shrinks, pressure reduces, hormones also gradually normalize. But what happens is the tissue remains laxed. Laxed means relaxed. जो आपका relaxin आपके tissues को, connective tissue linea alba को खोल रहा है, support कर रहा है ताकि belly stretch हो, वो collagen खुले का खुला रह गया. So core coordination in that case is impaired. Linea alba may remain stretched for a very long time, and this is why women experience that hanging lower mummy tummy, lower belly bulge. इसलिए सब कर लेते हैं लेकिन वो जाता नहीं है. Instability. Have you realized कभी आप एकदम झटके से उठोगे, you will feel unstable with your feet. एक टाइम लगता है थोड़ा सा, कभी दीवार का सपोर्ट लिया, कभी बेड का सपोर्ट लिया. Bloating feel होती है because there is a lot of gap. The muscles are not contracted, pulled, realigned at their original place, and the core has become very weak. Okay? Now you have to check for your diastasis recti. We will be doing it next.